This is Stanley. Stanley is a 2-year-old neutered Chihuahua mix. Stanley's a transfer to the Humane Society from another shelter, so we don't know much about his history. He enjoys being around other dogs and he loves meeting people. He has a ton of energy and would do best in a home that has plenty of time to exercise him. If you want to meet Stanley, come down to the Humane Society. This is Babe. Babe is an 11-year-old spayed Chihuahua. She was brought to the Humane Society because her previous family lost their home. She is housebroken and good with dogs. She would do best in a quiet home that would let her sleep in bed and snuggle on the couch with them. If you want to meet Babe, come down to the Humane Society.